Let's DIY my laundry room. We have so much to do. Oh my gosh, guys. Yes, it's a disaster. We still have a lot of material we need to buy. We need to go to Lowe's and get paint. Guys, oh my gosh. You're here for the struggle. I finished clearing everything out of the laundry room. I have about an hour and a half left before I have to get my boys from the bus stop. So we're gonna run to Lowe's real quick. We're gonna pick up some paint. We're gonna come back and try to do as much as we can within an hour and a half. So, and it's raining. Okay, we are here and we're gonna pick out some paint. I don't know which brand is better. We're just gonna figure it out. And I got a cart just in case. Okay, so we're looking for black. And ignore my nails, I need to do them. I don't know if I like this one. I don't know. I don't know if I told you guys, but where'd my hair go? But I'm wanting to do the laundry room. I want in the laundry room to be black and white. I don't know if I told you. Oh, this is pretty. Caviar. But I also found this tricorn black. Okay, which one looks better? Tricorn black is what I'm thinking. They also have these colors like Tomcat, dark kettle black, Dior, very black, and tuxedo. But I'm still thinking tricorn black. Figure out if we need anything else. I know I need, actually, yeah, I need some rollers. Why are there so many options? I don't know what to get. The guy helped me out. He told me to go with this. So that's what I'm gonna go with. You guys will see in a little bit what I'm gonna do. So I think this should be good enough right here. I feel like I got one of these already at home, but I'm not sure. I don't know where it's at, so I'm gonna get another one. We're gonna get one of these and some painter's tape. We got the paint. I got a quart. That should hopefully be enough. So instead of like the wire racks that I have currently, I want to get the floating shelves to put above the washer and dryer. So that's what I'm looking for right now. All right, here we have it. I'm wanting black. And I know the distance from the wall to where the washing machine the washing machine door opens, because it lifts up. I need to give myself 12 inches. They didn't have the floating shelves I was wanting, so I'm gonna have to order that online. Probably order it from Amazon or something like that. We're running out of time, guys. We have about 10 minutes before the boys get home. All right, so I have my little helper helping me. Go ahead, keep going. He's taking the shoes and putting them in the guest bedroom. Oh. This here I'm gonna lay on the floor and then tape it up. I also have to get Nala in 45 minutes, so let's hurry up. Yep, it's really gonna look different when I get finished with it.
So beautiful!
Not yet. Not yet. We still have a long way to go. All right, go out there with your brother. Let mommy finish so I could cook dinner, okay?
But can I help you?
Well, not with this project.
Yeah.
I know. Not with this one. Next time.
Yeah, no, next time.
Next time you'll help me. No, don't mess with that. You just dying to pick up something to do. Okay, get out. Get out. This is where we stored all the junk. It's out here. We gotta go through it and throw a lot of it in the trash can. If I'm missing a week of posting a video, that's because of this that I decided to do. All right, let's finish. So I have these subway tiles that I want to place on the walls like this. It's gonna go around pretty much all the white spaces, with the exception of this wall is gonna be some like a different type of backsplash. And I will show you that when it comes in. Hopefully it'll come in tomorrow. Can you tell I'm unorganized? I think it comes in tomorrow. When did I order it? I ordered them. It will be out for delivery tomorrow. It is not looking like I have enough. Oh my gosh, guys. Quick update. So this is as far as I've gotten, and I ran out. I have one pack left, so I'm gonna have to order a bunch more. And I also did this one strip as well. It's the next day. I got a bunch of packages in the mail. I realized I didn't give you guys the idea I have of what I'm trying to accomplish here. Obviously, we did the black on the bottom. We're doing the black here that I'm gonna place around. It won't go fully to the top. It will just from the top of the door down, essentially, is what I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna have some floating shelves. So I'm gonna have 3 layers of floating shelves coming down. And then I'm also gonna accent this wall with this. I have junk everywhere. With this, which I think is really cute. It has a little hint of gold. I'm just gonna accent behind where the washer and dryer goes. Just like one strip going all the way around. I don't know how it's going to turn out. In my mind, it looks pretty. This is what it's looking like so far. I ran out of this towel here, so I already ordered some. It'll be here tomorrow. I'm stopping at this point, going all the way around. The very top is gonna be the white subway tiles. I also added some trim to break up the two textures. So it's coming along. It's looking good. And the ridges on the top there, those, I gotta fill those in like I did this to make it look straight. That has been a challenge. This towel is really thick. You definitely can't cut it with scissors, so I'm glad I purchased this here. All right, I will see you guys in the morning. It is the next day. I have so much more to do, and I don't know why Billy hung his jacket up right there. We have these towels that came in today. We also have our Subway towels. They came in, it was a delay, but it was supposed to come in yesterday, but it came in today, which I'm happy about. And so let's try to get done as much as we can. Let's change into something we can get dirty and then finish up. I cut this a little short because I only have 10 more of these left. So I just cut them in half. So now I have 20 pieces now that I cut them in half. And so it won't sit flush with this, but that is okay because I'm gonna put a floating shelf along this side and it's gonna pretty much sit right here over the top. That's the only way I can make it work with without having to buy more. Let's continue. Okay, I completely give up on this thing. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I cannot get these to go flush into the wall. So I'm gonna wait for Billy to get home so he can fix it. almost done. Almost done. I just have to fill in these little pieces here. Once we are completely done, I will show you the final product. This is the finished product. It looks so good, especially for a DIY project. Black and white color scheme. I did a good job. I pat myself on the back. This looks good. It took a lot of hours, but it is complete. It has a little bit of flaws, but you know, it still looks good. I wanted to show you guys the finished product while it's completely cleared out. We will be bringing the stuff in and stacking everything in its place tomorrow. We have less than 30 days left before our next cruise, and there's a lot of DIY projects that I would like to get done prior to then. The laundry room is complete. Next is the guest bathroom, and then we're gonna make our way upstairs and DIY Nathaniel's room. And if we have time, we're gonna DIY me and Billy's bathroom or our closet. I haven't decided yet. But with that being said, we will see you guys in the next video, DIYing my bathroom. We love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.